Hello everyone. So this is the second mistake that we will be going to discuss in our short SEO course about 100 common SEO mistakes that you need to avoid during your SEO campaigns. Remember that these mistakes are driven from the experiences that we have with clients in different sectors and in different industries. So if you are doing these mistakes, please try to avoid them, and if you are not sure how to avoid them, you can always contact us at parliament.com. We are an award-winning digital SEO agency in London, and we have an extensive team with an extensive experience. We have an inclusive team with extensive experience in SEO and SEO campaigns. You can just visit our website and see how are we doing it. So the second mistake that we are going to discuss, it's not prioritizing mobile first indexing. So if you fail to optimize for mobile users, it can lead to lower ranking. So why am I saying this? It's because Google has shifted its focus towards mobile first indexing. It started from 2015, but since October of this year 2023, Google has completely shifted towards mobile first indexing because Google is a business. Google, it's favorable for them to focus on that. Plus, most of the users, they just browse the internet via mobile, like in some territories, in some countries. So it makes sense. It's completely logical to focus on mobile users and optimize your website for them. So let's discuss what I'm talking about. So this is a Google official page. It's from it is dated October 31st, 2023. So it's very latest. So if you could see, it says it's been a long road getting from there to here. We are delighted to announce that the track to mobile first indexing is now complete. So Google started focusing more and more on mobile devices starting in 2015 with the mobile friendly update, which you can read in more detail, which was launched in 2015. Then in 2016, Google started mobile first crawling and indexing. This allowed Google search to index the content that users would see when they access the website on their mobile phone. Crawling and indexing is a smartphone was a big change for Google's infrastructure, but also a change for the public web. A mobile web page now needed to be as complete as the corresponding desktop version. So that means Google is now completely focused on mobile first indexing. That means for your website, Google will first index the website using a mobile or smartphone device. Like they will crawl your website using a mobile or smartphone. So if your website is not optimized for that, it means you are your rankings would be lower. Even you would have problems in indexing your website as well. So over the years, mobile web traffic has continued to grow. In some regions, people most almost exclusively use their phone to access the internet. So it's a big step because of the demand. So what are the next steps? So next steps for you is to focus on mobile first indexing and optimize your website regarding that. And if you're unsure what to do and how to do that, you can just contact us. So but if you're sure what to do and how to do it, then this was the mistake that you needed to avoid. So that was all about this video. See you in the next episode. We will be discussing another mistake is your mistake that you need to avoid during your SEO campaigns. Thank you. Bye.